Hello beautiful people. In today's video I'm sharing with you a lot of last minute decorating tips that you can do in your own home with a total cost of zero. Get your glue gun plugged in, get your paints out, your ribbons, and let's get started. We all know Santa don't come for free, so right now you're thinking you still have to decorate, but you're broke. You already went shopping. Here's what you do. Hey, check it out. My writing desk area is a winter wonderland, and that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you how I decorated it and repurposed things from around the house. All right, so join me. All right, you've got some ribbon around the house. Great. Pull it out, stack it up like a tree, and then put an ornament on top like it's the star. You own toilet paper, right? Cool. Stack it up, taper it down so it looks like a cone, and decorate it with washi tape. This is my favorite washi tape because it's just plain and it's all the different colors of the rainbow, and you can find it at Daiso. All right, let's talk about that striped tin in the back. It's just a fabric covered tin, and it was a gift given to me years ago. Just one of these wrapped in fabric. The Merry and Bright sign is actually an old lemonade sign that had seen better days. It looked like this. The old lemonade sign got decoupaged with this Merry and Bright graphic that I did in Photoshop. Now let's talk about the snowman. That is a piece that I hand painted for last year and put out front in the front yard. Yes, Frosty's staying inside this year because he matches my interior, and I love how he looks right here at my writing desk. All right, so let's break this down. There's a couple of cardstock trees that I covered in feather boas, a bowl of ornaments, the ribbon tree, the tin, the toilet paper roll tree, which is amazing. There's my morning coffee cup. It's got my original watercolors on it that I turned into stationery. We'll do that sometime in the future. I've got my Christmas wrapping paper handy. There's the art that I added. I really like that snowman. He's really actually pretty easy to paint. You just have to paint a lot. And I love this. This is a piece I photoshopped and just stuck in a frame and painted the frame. I downloaded some clip art and then I went ahead and made it my own. The stars are paint chips that I cut out with a die. And like I said to you already, just the snowman is hand painted. I had a greeting card that I looked at. And so all of this really sweet, colorful stuff was kind of things from around the house, things I already own, and I just decided I wanted to brighten up my writing desk, and it turns out that it's my own little winter wonderland here. And all of this can easily be done without spending money. Now, a tip on the Christmas tree ornaments. I use ribbon to tie everything on. I no longer use those hooks. So tying it on really prevents any of these ornaments from being pulled off or falling off due to your little kitty or your dogs. My next video, I think I'm going to focus on showing you how to repurpose pieces in your wardrobe, how to winterize your current wardrobe. And that we're going to have us a fashion show starring me. I know you look forward to that. Thanks again for watching, and I want to wish you and all of your family and friends a wonderful, warm holiday. Take care. As always, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.